Hey, do you want to learn how to use CapCut AI video generator, which is also called Seedance 1.0? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. Over here, I've first opened up CapCut AI software, and on it, you can go over to Media, first launch a new project, then click on Media, and on the left-hand side, click on AI Media. Then over here, you have got AI Video. Click on that. Now you can type a prompt here. In text to video, you can type a prompt here. In model, you'll find Seedance 1.0 Pro, which is not Seedance 1.0. I know that. I'm going to show you how to access that as well. So over here, you can select motion speed, which is just normal. You cannot select anything else here. Camera control will be the same default. For duration, it has to be 5 seconds. For aspect ratio, you can select the aspect ratio at least. But here, you're going to find that it's only for one free use. Then you need to upgrade to the Pro plan in order to get more credits. So let's generate it by clicking over here on the right-hand side. All right, our video is generated. Let's take a look. Okay, that looks nice. Now, if you do not like it, you can do a one free regeneration by clicking over here. Now you're going to agree with me that in the day and age of Google's Veo 3, this type of a video generator is no longer relevant or competitive. I've made a full tutorial on Google's Veo 3. You can check it out at the end on the right hand side. Now I'm going to show you how to use Seedance 1.0. For that, we're going to go over to Opera. You need to search for Dreamina by CapCut. So this is dreamina.capcut.com. And on it, you can generate images and video. So with images, you can generate it with the help of this model, which is Dream 3.0, their newest model. And I've made a full tutorial on Dreamina by CapCut, so you can check it out. Also a tutorial on Dream 3.0. So I've generated these with image 3.0, and I'm going to click here on generate video, which is going to put this image in generate video image prompt. Now here on Dreamina, you get free 120 credits every day. On the left hand side, you can select model. So here you've got video 3.0, which is Seedance 1.0 mini. You can click on more settings and you can choose a duration. It could be 5 seconds or 10 seconds. And then on the bottom, you're going to find it's going to take in 50 credits each time you generate an output. So basically you can get 2 outputs each day. If I switch it to S2.0 Pro, it's going to take 40 credits. If you switch the duration to 10 seconds, it's going to take in 100 credits. So with this, you can just generate one video with Seedance 1.0 mini per day. So let's click here on 5 seconds and click on generate. All right, so this is what it has generated. Now in it, you can see that it added one more leg, which is a glitch, of course. The good part about Dreamina is that you can also generate soundtrack for it, which is kind of like Google's Veo 3. So I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to click here on generate soundtrack. You just need to hover on the video and you're going to find this on the bottom. For generating soundtrack, it's going to take 10 credits. Okay, I was wrong here. It's not exactly like Google's Veo 3. What it does is basically generate background music for your video. And so these are the 3 soundtracks it has generated. Take a listen to it. Out of these, I think the first soundtrack is better. In Dreamina AI videos, I generated this with lip sync. Take a listen to it.
Solve Base is here to solve your tech and gaming problems.
All you have to do is first make an AI image, and then you can use generate video on the bottom, and then you have to generate a video out of it.
Neighborhood, super.
What you have to do to create this is over here you have got AI avatar on the left hand side. You need to replace this character with the generated image. And then you can use generation effect, which is fast. Then you need to do lip sync here. So they've got this AI voices inside it. You can also upload your own audio if you want. And then just click on generate. This is a very high number of credits it requires. So yeah.
Solve Base is here to solve your tech and gaming problems.
and then this is what it generates. Let's get back to Dreamina, this video 3.0. What I'm going to do is, instead of image prompt, I'm going to go for text prompt. And this time I'm going to put the same prompt that we added inside CapCut, but change the year to 1985. The model, same, video 3.0, which is Seedance 1.0 mini. Now going to select 5 seconds and then click on generate button, which is going to take in 50 credits. And our video has been generated. Let's take a look at it. All right, that looks great. It's much better than this CapCut version, this Seaweed 1.0 Pro. This looks much better. If you want to download this, you can do it by clicking over here to download. Just going to download with the Dreamina watermark to your computer. And if you want to delete this specific video, you can just click here on the 3 dots and then click on delete. If you want to upscale it, you can do it by clicking over here on HD. And again, if you want to generate a soundtrack for it, you can do it by clicking over here. And there you go. Our video has been downloaded to our computer. So I can click on it and view it. And that's it. That's how to use Seedance 1.0 mini, the CapCut AI video generator. I hope this video helped solve a problem. If it did, let me know with like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find Dreamina AI tutorial and other CapCut related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.